Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today we are going to keep going and keep building the Slash kit. This is part 4. If you haven't seen the previous parts, make sure to go check them out. And the unboxing. We also unbox this. If you haven't seen the unboxing, make sure to go check it out. But today we are going to start with installing the rear shocks. So the rear shocks are the ones that have the blue bump stops, and they're also longer than the front shocks. So let's get these on. So it's gonna be a 3 by 15 millimeter and a 3 by 14 millimeter. The 3 by 14 goes on the top, so let me just put these on. Alright, so I got the top screw in. Now I'm gonna go for the bottom screw, and it says to put it on the second position because it is the best for off-roading. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so that side is on. Get that bone. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Alright guys, the rear module is now complete. It says I have completed the rear module. How does it look? Starting to look like something, you know. I have the rear shocks on. Everything is looking good. I like it. It's coming out good. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the front module assembly. So I need the front suspension bag. I'm starting to run out of bags, guys. Starting to run out of bags. Go this way real quick. We had a lot of bags at the beginning. Now we only have a couple left. We're almost there. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Oh. Alright. So what do we need first? We need the front body mount base. Let me see. Oh, right here. Front body mount base. The body posts. Are they in here? Oh, right here. Body mount post. 3 by 8 millimeter screw. Front bulkhead. Front bulkhead. Front shock tower. Right there. And then what else? And then just the screws. Okay. So I'm gonna put these back in the bag for right now. Alright, so we have the screws here. Okay, so we need a 3 by dump these out right here. Ooh. Okay, just give me a second to sort these screws real quick. Okay, so I got all the screws sorted that I need to. I got all the screws that I need right here. Let's get started. So we're gonna get the front body mount base first, and we're gonna screw in the body post with the 3 by 8 millimeter screws. Whew. So I'm just gonna screw this one in real quick. Alright, so I have one screwed in, and now I'm just gonna do the other. Okay, so they are both in. Now we're gonna move on to putting it on the front shock tower. So it's gonna go this way. Right, hold on. Okay, yeah, so this is gonna go like this. Right? I don't want to mess this up. Oh, so this turns around like this. And then we're gonna get the 3 by 10 millimeter screws. And it's gonna go in front like this. Wait. Hold on. Okay, yeah. So this is gonna go in front right here, and then it's gonna go in that hole right there. Right? Yes. Alright, so the shock tower is on, and the body mount base and the body posts are on. Now we're gonna attach it to the front shock tower. So that's gonna go right there with the 3 by 15 millimeters screws. Alright guys, the front bulkhead is on. Look at that. All on. Alright, so now that we got the front bulkhead on and stuff, it is now time for install the front camber links. So take these out of the bag. There are multiple links in here, so just make sure you're grabbing the right ones. So they have this little thing down here that's too long. That's one. That's the other one. And then this one's too long. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna put the other ones off to the side. Now from here, we're gonna grab the one camber link, and like last time, the big part right here that you see moving, that's gonna go towards the outside, and you're just gonna put the other ones on with the 3 by 15 screws right here, like this one. So I'm just gonna tighten these up, and I'll get back to you when they are installed. Alright, so I have the 2 camber links on, as you can see right here. Now we're going to go to the next page. Next page, attach the front suspension arms to the front bulkhead assembly. So we're gonna get the A-arms right here, boom, boom, and then the tie bar, which is this right here, and then what else do we need? The 44mm suspension pins, oh, right here, right there, and then 4 E-clips. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So I got everything right here, and there's an orientation, correct? Is there no way to put these on? I don't have to. Is there no right and left? I don't think so. I don't see an R like the rear ones, or an L. So I'm gonna just set this right here. Whoa, I like that's better actually. Put the pin through. Make sure it comes out the other side. There it is. Oh wait, I forgot something. The tie bar. This goes on first. Doesn't matter which way now. Okay. So I'm gonna put an E-clip on one side first. Alright, so I got the E-clip in, and now I'm just gonna push this through. Oh, there we go. Onto the other side, and then get another E-clip, and just clip it in. There it is. There is one suspension arm on. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other one. Okay, the arms are in. Whew. Now we are gonna go to the assembling the front hubs. So put that off to the side. We're gonna go in this bag. Get the steering box, and then the front axles are in this bag. Okay, and then the bag with the washers and the bushings, and do I need these yet? Yeah, so the washers with the bearings, and there's plastic bushing. These are the plastic bushings, right? Yeah. So right there. Oh, hold on. There we go. There are the 4 washers, and then we need 2 of the thin, semi-thin washers. Okay. I think the washers are all the same size, so you need 2 of them. And first we're gonna get the steering blocks and put the washers in them. I mean the washers, the bearings. Okay. Next one. Okay, those are done. And you also need the front wheel hexes. So next, I'm gonna go front axle, washer, and then axle pin. And then after that is the front wheel hex. So these look different than the rear wheel hexes because these are tall offset wheel hexes. The other ones are just regular wheel hexes. And again, like the back ones, you want to make sure they snap down like that. And there it is. That's one done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other. Alright, so I have the two front hubs. Now we're gonna attach the caster blocks, and these are directional. So this part goes like this. This goes over like that. So now you get the 3 by 26.5 screw. I think it's this one, because I think these are shorter. Yeah. So this is gonna go through there. And I'm just gonna tighten this up. Alright, so that one's in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Alright, both of these are done. I am so sorry if you can hear the trash can. Or the trash truck. I am very sorry. Jesus, what is it doing? Okay, so now that this top part is in, you're gonna get the shorter screw pins and screw them in to the bottom of the caster block and the A-arm. Okay, the right side is done. That is all good to go. Now I'm just gonna go and do the left side real quick. Okay guys, that is that. I have assembled a lot of the front part here. Now we have this, and the two front shocks left, which we are going to get to in the next part. So I hope you enjoyed. I am enjoying putting this together. It's very cool to put something together that later on you're going to be able to drive and have fun with. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.